Notex AI Note Taker just hit the market, and today I'm sharing 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software that could revolutionize how you handle notes. Whether you're taking meeting notes, class notes, or just want to stay organized, this AI-powered tool is worth checking out. Stick around till the end, as I'll share how you can try it for free. So, why is Notex AI Note Taker one of the best new AI tools? First off, it's designed to take the stress out of note-taking. With its advanced AI algorithms, it automatically transcribes and organizes your notes, turning raw data into easy-to-navigate, actionable insights. You just type or speak, and Notex AI does the rest. One of the biggest highlights of this software is its ease of use. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get started. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to dive in without a steep learning curve. Even if you've never used AI-powered tools before, this software won't overwhelm you. Another thing that sets Notex apart is its accuracy. It uses cutting-edge natural language processing to ensure your notes are clear, coherent, and error-free. No more wasting time editing messy transcriptions. Notex AI Note Taker gets it right the first time. This means more time for you to focus on what really matters, getting things done. But it's not just about transcription. Notex AI also offers smart categorization. It can automatically detect topics, tag sections, and organize your notes by project, priority, or theme. For someone who handles multiple tasks or works on different projects, this is a huge time saver. It's like having a personal assistant who organizes everything for you. If you're worried about privacy, Notex AI has you covered. All your notes are stored securely, and you have complete control over who sees them. You can easily export or share your notes, making collaboration seamless while keeping your information safe. Now, let's talk about customization. One feature I found really useful is the ability to set up specific note-taking styles based on your preferences. Whether you want bullet points, full sentences, or just the main ideas, you can tweak it to match your personal workflow. Notex AI adapts to how you work, not the other way around. Lastly, it integrates smoothly with tools you already use. Whether it's Google Docs, Dropbox, or Evernote, Notex AI connects seamlessly with your existing workflow so you're not jumping between platforms to get your work done. You can try Notex AI Note Taker completely free from the first link below. It's an excellent way to test out its capabilities without any commitment. And if you're someone who's into digital tools and AI, you'll want to stick around for my other recommended software in the description. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones that stand out. So there you have it. Notex AI Note Taker is an impressive tool that could seriously improve your productivity. It's user-friendly, accurate, and customizable with powerful integration features. If you're looking to upgrade how you take notes, this could be the software for you. Check out the free trial below, and as always, leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.